This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. You are signed into the correct Apple ID and iOS is current because sync depends on matching accounts and system features. Once done, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, then Photos and enable iCloud Photos. This tells Apple to store and sync your library. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is on. Without a network, you will not see iCloud copies. Now open the Photos app and prepare to locate your cloud images. Now you find the photos. Open Photos and tap Library, then All Photos to see everything iCloud has synced, displayed by date. This is the most reliable view. If images appear as thumbnails, go to Settings Photos and check Download and keep Originals versus Optimize iPhone storage. Optimize saves space but may show lower res until downloaded. To narrow results fast, use Photos Search. Type a date, location, or object like beach. This leverages iCloud tags and speeds retrieval. To complete the process, ensure all desired images are present and give the device time to finish background syncing. Large libraries may take hours. If something is missing, toggle iCloud Photos off and on to force a sync, or sign out and back into your Apple ID. This resets cloud connections. Make sure your iCloud storage isn't full. If uploads are stalled, clear space or upgrade. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and retry. This often clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.